Hey guys, it's Lisa Marie and we're here with Cards in the Car. It is Tuesday, so it's like April 2nd. Holy cow, I can't believe it's April. And today we're gonna make a really cute card and we're gonna use Tropical Chic, which is, you know, I bought this like last year and I've not used it until just recently. And the reason I started using it was because a friend that used to be on my team years ago, Christy, she moved to Arizona and she wasn't doing Stampin' Up anymore, but life has changed and she rejoined, and it's the whole thing that led her to joining was because she needed this set for a project. And so anyway, so it made me pull it off the shelf and I've been using it. So we're gonna make this really cute card. I'll show you. Here, me and this camera, here we go. Isn't that cute? Just simple. And this is no layering. Quick, simple. Look, I even did the inside because no naked innards for 2019. No layering at all, so you're just going to stamp on there. This has a coordinating set of framelits too, so you could, you know, stamp a few extra and pop some up, but I wanted you to show just simple stamping using a few colors in one stamp set and how we can make a beautiful card. And this, I'm going to make several of these because I need some thank you cards, so I thought this would be a perfect project for me to do today. So, celebration is over, but holy cow, we have lots of fun stuff. The new storage I can't even talk today. The new storage solutions that Stampin' Up came out with for our ink pads and our Stampin' Blends and our refill bottles and things like that, and our markers, launched yesterday, and mine will be here on Thursday, so I'm really excited so I could show you. I just bought a few pieces because I wanted to play with it and see what my needs are going to be and how many I want. They broke it down so that you can just buy a little bit at a time, so you just buy it as you need it. So I think it's going to be a lot. It's going to be really good. It's going to be really good. So it'd be easier to get around. Hey Jody and Tyler and Dana. I can see y'all there, but it's like not showing up completely, so I'm just gonna say hi and maybe you're there. So we're gonna go ahead. I think the only thing I forgot was scrap paper, but that's okay because I can make that work. So we're gonna pull all this stuff. I'll move that guy out of my way. Hey Betsy, I'm gonna turn you guys down here in just a second, and I will, oh, I don't even need glue. Look, I pulled out glue and I don't even need it. All right, so I'm gonna turn you guys down. We're gonna make this cute card. So oh, I popped you off the stand. Dang it. Let me stick you back in there. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we got it. Somebody's messaging me, of course, because, you know, that's what happens when I'm doing cards in the car. Everybody wants to call me and message me. And all right, those of you that just popped on, that's the card we're going to make. Just 1 second here. So I'm going to grab my Whisper White. This is the thick Whisper White. Oh, I'm showing you my contract. Sorry. My thick Whisper White that we use for just as a card base, you know, when you're not going to layer anything else. It gives you a little bit of more sturdiness. So I've already scored these. So I'm going to go ahead and just crisp that up a little bit. I think you can see. The sun is glaring just right so that I can't see if you can see me. Pretty sure you can. So we're going to start with, let me see, what did I start with? I started with the Coastal Cabana. So we're going to grab Coastal Cabana and this leaf. This is such a cute set. We're going to ink it up. And I have a mat underneath of me because I'm working on my scoreboard when I'm in the car. So you do not need a mat typically when you're using the red rubber. And I think I might just stop there with that. I might come back and add another one. So you don't need a mat underneath of you when you're using red rubber, but the reason is because I can't work on these little lines. It wouldn't be good. So we're going to grab some Pear Pizzazz. And where's my stamp? There he is. And that's this little leaf here. Then we're going to add this in here. You know, and there's no right or wrong way, you guys. You just go in there and stamp. Just enjoy it. And we're going to do 3 of this one. Cute. Oops. I'm determined to knock that over today. That's okay. So there's a lady next to me and she keeps staring and it's like, yeah, I'm just sitting here talking to myself, making a card. So here we go. So now we're going to add this little one. So we've used Coastal Cabana, Pear Pizzazz, and now this is Soft Seafoam. I love, 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 love this color. Oops, we're going to add him in there. Get another one up here. And I feel like we need one right there. Quite possibly right there. There we go. Cute. Then we're going to grab, Pear Pizzazz again. And do our words. And get you out of my way before I stick something there that doesn't need to be. I'm going to use the thank you because, like I said, I need a bunch of thank you cards. And we're just going to stamp that in Pear Pizzazz. Looks really good. And then we're going to use Mango Melody, right? Is that what it's called? Yes, Melody. I always want to call it Medley. I don't know why, but that's what I tend to do. So we're going to take this little hibiscus and we're going to stamp one there. See, he's full strength. I'm not going to re-ink him. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp a second one there. And then my third one like that. How cute. And since we're here, we might as well go ahead and add one on the inside so that we don't have those naked innards. And there you go. Look how quick and easy that was. That was probably like 2 or 3 minutes, right? So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna keep making them. I'm gonna make another one because you know every time I do it, it'll be a little bit different. And so stick that guy up there. We're gonna start with, we started with Coastal Cabana last time. I think I like starting with that one. Kind of get an idea of where I'm going. I'm gonna do one. I'm going to do 3 of these this time and just see how it goes. I'll close this one up. Oof, I just stuck my finger in it. Grab some Pear Pizzazz. And add this one. I'm going to go out just a little bit further this time so that it kind of, that guy stick back there, just to fill in some more of that white space. And then we're going to do Soft Seafoam for the little one. And you can just stamp right in there and see how it still just pops even though I'm doing the, you know, all these colors on top of each other. Cute, right? Let's see what other words are in here. This one. Oh, I think we can do this one. I need a block. I need a block. Let me peel him off. And I didn't bring a big block, so we're going to make this work with this one. We're going to use the Pear Pizzazz. Make sure that it inks up really well. And it does. Oh, it says with much love and thanks. I like that. Cute. Oh, look at how pretty that is. I really like those words. And then I'm going to grab, I need Mango Melody. See, I did it again. Making up my own ink names. So we're going to shoot him there. And then I think we'll turn one that way. And I even think we'll come this way. Cute. Isn't that pretty? Inside. No nakedness on the insides of our cards. See, this time I stamped it once and then kept stamping it so that you got the variation in color. So I'm going to close this guy up so I don't make too big of a mess. How cute is that? And then I did bring some little sequins. Oops, no falling. Just to add a little bling to it. And these are from the Gingham Gala, and so they have, if you can see them on there, they come in the 5 colors that are in the Gingham Gala, and so this is the daffodil, I believe. So the flower-shaped one and then just a circle one, like a regular sequins. I like them both. Let's try the flower ones this time. So if we just sprinkle them in. There we go. There. See that? Cute. So there was that one. We did it like that. We did that one with none. So we can do it or not do it. I'm wondering how they'll look just in the center. Oh, I left the glue behind. Oops. So this morning was like a really rough morning. Alyssa did not want oh, I don't like it there. Did not want the teacher to come, her homebound instructor. She was just in a mood. Don't know, her back hurt, so I know that was part of it. She's been having a lot of back pain, and so they're waiting on some test results and all that kind of stuff. Probably just her connective tissue disorder. It's not anything that they can probably do a lot for. So anyway, she was really cranky. So, but we got through it. We got through school, got it all done, and now she is at physical therapy. And hopefully our day will continue on very well, because it was a little bit sketchy there for a few. I was worried. I didn't think we were going to make it out of the house today. But she got it together. So let's do like that. And maybe one there. Let's see. And then we'll grab some pear. Get rid of you. Like that. And like that. And I think I just feel like it needs 3. There we go. I ran out of space. I have all my stuff spread across the dash, sitting in the lovely sun. So we did Coastal Cabana, we did Pear Pizzazz. Now we're gonna grab the Soft Seafoam, which is just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I almost think he needs, there, boom. Then we gotta cover him up like that. That's better. And then I really liked using those words, so I think we'll use those again. Did I? Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna put him right here because he fits here really well, I think. Oh gosh, I thought I missed. I was gonna be so sad, but I made it. So look, that's only been, I can't see the clock on the thing right now, but it hasn't been that long, probably under 10 minutes, and I've made some really pretty cards that were quick and easy. Oh, that's not where I meant to put that. So let's go, let's stamp it off again and go like that. There we go. That's better. Ooh, inside. I like doing 3. There we go. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. We made some pretty cards right here in the car. And I still have an hour and a half left before she's done with therapy. So I have lots of time. I was looking for my, oh, there they are. Move all these stamps, ink pads out of my way so I don't accidentally. I'm bringing you back up. So if you get motion sickness, close your eyes for a second. Hello. Facebook is weird today. It's not showing me, like, it says people are watching, but it doesn't show any people watching. So who knows? I don't know. If you guys are out there, give me some hearts or something, or say hello and let me know that you're here. I hope you liked that. That was just a quick and easy, like I said, using the thick Whisper White. And then I used the Coastal Cabana, Pear Pizzazz, Soft Seafoam, and Mango Melody. I said it right. And that's it. That's all I used. And using the Tropical Chic, which you could totally cut out some pieces with the Big Shot, or just do some simple ones. I think I'm going to throw some on some note cards too, and see how that goes. So be sure to check the schedule. It's in announcements in the Facebook group. And card class is the only one I think that's affected. Mossy Head is meeting on a different day, a week after their normal time, I think. Ooh, now that I said that. Anyway, in the announcements it shows, I'm pretty sure, because I will be, yes, because next week we're going to Onstage. So there's no second Saturday class this month. So second Saturday class, come on the first Saturday, or let me know that if that doesn't work and we'll schedule another one for you guys. But I have like 7 or 8 posted that you guys can bounce around from if you need to. Just let me know that you're coming so that I can prepare. I know I have my Niceville group is meeting on this Thursday, and then I have my Thursday night group. There's always room in there, so you guys, if you got someone that you want to bring a friend. We'd love to have them. You guys, thank you so much for watching me, and I've really gotten a lot of positive response on my cards in the car. I'm not sure if it's because y'all like watching me lose things or try to figure out how to make it work, but it's fun because I'm actually getting something done while I'm, you know, sitting here rather than just sitting here like dozing off, taking afternoon naps. But anyway, you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.